In primetime news this evening, that's not correct. Finance Minister blasts opposition counterpart for inaccuracies in budget presentation. Stiff fines coming. Law change could see those breaching COVID protocols paying big time. Crisis looms. Drastic increase in medical waste due to spike in COVID-19 cases.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, e-prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what preparations do you plan to make for the weekend lockdown? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.